A recent periodic labour force survey or PLFS, which is conducted by the National Sample Survey Office or NSO, has come out with encouraging numbers. Unemployment rate in the country has declined. India's unemployment rate fell to a 6-year low at 3.2% in the July-June 2022-23 period. So the percentage of the workforce without a job has reduced, reflecting improvements in job creation and opportunities. The labour force participation rate or LFPR has also peaked at 57.9% since the NSO started releasing the annual survey in 2017. Labour force participation rate is defined as the section of the working population in the age group of 16 to 64 in the economy currently employed or seeking employment. However, experts have also pointed out that there is a gap in the methodology of estimation of unemployment by the NSO's Periodic Labour Force Survey and Centre for Monitoring Indian Economy or CMIE, which is an economic think tank. CMIE says that there was a fall in the LFPR in 2023, contrary to the PLFS claim. It says that LFPR in 2022-23 was 57% while CMIE claims it was just 39.5%. Analysts say that while the CMIE employs the definition of employment as per the International Labour Organization standard, which excludes unpaid work in LFPR. So beneath this positive headline of the PLFS lies a more complex narrative. The data reveals a significant drop in the share of salaried jobs. Salaried jobs are often considered to be more stable with regular incomes, whereas self-employment consists of a vast nature of work. The latter also includes unpaid household work or petty agricultural labor. This decline has left many wondering about the nature of the jobs being created in India. The share of workers in regular salaried jobs decreased from 21.5% in July 2021, June 2022 to 20.9% in July 2022, June 2023. Experts believe that many traditional salaried jobs were lost during the pandemic, which may have prompted individuals to explore self-employment or gig work out of necessity. The PLFS survey also indicates an increase in the number of people engaged in agriculture from 45.5% to 45.8%. So, what does the PLFS report tell us about the nature of employment in India?
It's giving a mixed story. On one hand, there's the good news, which is that both the labor participation rate, labor force participation rate, and the is going up, and the unemployment rate is coming down. You see, as far as the informal sector is concerned, it has really two components. One is it has small entrepreneurial units, which are not getting into the organized sector for various reasons. The second component of the informal sector are people who are working at whatever work they can get, essentially for survival purposes. And it's very difficult to be able to segregate these two from the data that we have.
And why has salaried employment slipped?
The government's own data is showing that regular work as a share of total employment is falling. And those people are going into informal work.
More specifically, the employment quality has fallen more in some states than others. 12 out of the 21 major states and union territories witnessed a fall in the share of regular income workers. The decline is most noted in Assam, where the percentage of workers in salaried jobs fell by 8.7 percentage points to 10.8%. The figure was at 19.5% in the 2021-22 period. Experts believe that several factors contribute to this dichotomy in India's job market. One key reason is the changing nature of work and the rise of the gig economy. The digital surge has made it easier for individuals to opt for self-employment.
I suspect that those states which had a relatively higher share of formal employees, those would be seeing larger drops. I mean, that's pure arithmetic. But if it's happening in other states, then the question that should be asked is this loss of employment reflecting the fact that formal companies are shutting down or withdrawing from those states? But so that the PLFS in and of itself will not give you. I mean, you would have to look at other data to see, whether there has been a locational shift.
Experts believe that while the fall in overall unemployment rate is a good sign, the shift away from traditional salaried jobs towards self-employment demands attention and action from policymakers. India's ability to create high-quality, stable jobs will be crucial for the well-being of its workforce and the strength of its economy in the future.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.
He's about to land his dream job. Business Standard.